Hello and welcome to KahindoTech. In this video, I'll show you how to turn on two-factor authentication on the Instagram. We'll begin by opening up the Instagram app like I have here. Once you have it opened, go to your profile page. And once you're here, look over here on the upper right-hand corner. Do you see these three bars? Tap on those. And then this menu comes up. Go ahead and click over here where it says Settings. Once you reach here, go over here to where it says Security. Then go to two-factor authentication. All right, it will take you to this step. Go ahead and read that. Once you have read it, go over here to where it says Get Started. Okay, and there's basically three different ways that you can enable two-factor authentication. Basically, the way that this works, the the reason why it's called two-factor authentication, the first one is when you log in into your account. So you have to know your username and password to log in. Once you pass that one, they want an additional method for you to confirm that is really you. And you can do that by enabling like the text messages to your WhatsApp, to the authentication app, and you can download this or through text messages. I think is it a Google one? I believe. No, Facebook has its own app, I believe. Yeah, but you can if you click on here, it's gonna take you to those steps. But for me, I'm gonna go with this option where it's through text messages. I click on that, and then I have to go ahead and enter the number that was texted to me. As you can see right there, there's a text message. It's currently hidden from you, so I have to tap on it to open it. Let me see if I'm able to open it. And that code is 736290. 736290. And then I'll click on next. So now, nope, click on next. And then they're telling you, and these are just like the backup code, just in case you're not able to get access to your phone. Because what will happen if you're not able to authenticate yourself, uh, you won't have access to your account anymore. That's why they just have this as backup in case that happens, which shouldn't happen, but hopefully, in case that happens, you have this other extra way of retrieving your account. So it's very important that you keep this safe somewhere, because if you lose your phone and you don't have these codes, you basically lose access to your account. You don't want to do that. And there's nothing anybody can do for you. All right. So once you have taken a screenshot of this or written down somewhere, click on done. And there you go. I've turned on the two-factor authentication for my Instagram account. If you have any other questions or comments, please leave them in the comment section below. If you thought that video was helpful, and definitely subscribe to my channel for more helpful videos like this. Thank you for watching.